and the people managing so that we get a result, because that is where it matters.
Riwruoge mag jotich mawuok e sekta mopogore opogore dhi nyime gi kwayo piny owacho ahinya to od bura mamalo mondo kwed paro mar chik mar kawo osuru e wi gedo ma kwanata adek kowuok kuom jotich. Kane gilose gwenge ma Kisii, jotelo mawuok e riwruoge mag Kusu, Uwasu, Nat to gi Usus ne owacho ni jotije piny owacho kadho e kinde matek mokalo kaluwore kod osara matin ma giyudo, ka giwacho ni juogo gi osuru mamoko biro medo hinyogi.
They're asking government, because you said you wanted public participation, the pronouncement you are making that public servants must pay the housing levy makes nonsense of the public participation. Why don't you then rule by degree? Why do you invite public participation if the government has already made a decision that come what rain or sunshine, they will deduct the housing levy fund?
Kama NHIF, kuna civil servant ama wafanyikazi wa serikali wamepewa 70,000 outpatient services. Some of them, they have terminal illness kama diabetes, pressure, cancer. Actually, they exhaust that money in 3 or 4 months. From there, they start taking care of their families from their pocket. So if they increase anything, they are going to kill such civil servants.
Now, coming to the housing levy, many of us have already made arrangements for our retirement. And we do not intend to be given government houses. We know it won't be possible. Government won't be able to give us houses. We made our arrangements. We've committed our money. We've mortgages, we've loans that we use to build houses for ourselves. We don't intend to receive government houses.